Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. I'm a physical therapist at John Getz Physical Therapy and Innovative Physical Therapy, and today I want to talk to you something about back pain with cleaning, right? And we're going to start a whole new series on this, so we're going to look at a few different things, but here's part one. One of the things that we hear a lot from our patients is, I have pain with bending over to do the dishes or clean or cook, right? So if this is you, this video is perfect for you. So if you're having pain with like these activities that make you bend over, then pay attention. Then we're going to give you a few tips on how to decrease some of those. As far as I know, I haven't met a single person that loves doing the dishes. So if you do, maybe this can help you do something you love. But it is a necessary task that we all have to do at home. So I want to give you a few tips and a few techniques as to how you can decrease that pain. A lot of time the biggest problem is bending forward. So when we bend like this to lean over the dish or the sink, that's what really increases our pain. So a couple of things that you can do, right, is A, get you something that softens the floor, right? A lot of times a cushioned mat will help you as far as like laying it down on the floor. That will help give you what you need. That helps decrease the stress on your back a little bit by giving you a little bit of cushion. Speaking of cushion, wearing your shoes is always going to help you, right? So if you have your shoes on, that's going to help decrease, because a lot of times the kitchens, they're always going to be tile because there's always water and stuff that spills on them. I don't think I've seen a carpeted kitchen. So having a mat down that's non-slip, that's slip resistant so you don't fall, that's very important for you. Number two, what some people will say is, if you open the cabinet underneath your sink and you place one foot up, that will help take some stress off your back, right? And I would experiment with both feet. If you put your left foot up and it helps decrease your pain, then put your left foot up. If you have to do the right, do the right. But this will typically help take pressure off your back and allow you to push weight through your feet evenly as you bend forward, so it takes that pressure off, helps decrease some pain. Another thing that we can do is, instead of bending at our back, we can use what we were given, these big strong legs to help us. So just spread our feet a little wider, and then instead of bending over, we're just going to hinge at our hips a little bit. So we're going to stick our butt out a little bit, hinge at our hips, and then tighten our core as we clean. All of those things will help decrease your back pain with things like doing the dishes, with things like cooking, all of those, etc. One of the other things that I will say is deep welled sinks. I know they're great for organization, but they make you bend over a little further, and if you have to bend over further, it's going to increase the stress on your back. So, especially for people that have been told they've got disc issues, whether it's bulging disc herniations, all of those things, it's really important that you don't spend a lot of time in this position, because if you're bent over a lot here, it's going to put extra stress on those discs. So, if you are having pain in your back, try these things out. Hopefully that helps. If it doesn't help and you're still having pain, then give us a call. Let us talk about your specific issues, and we can help you get back to doing all the things that you want to do or have to do, like the dishes, because we know nobody loves doing the dishes. We'll help you get back to those today. So you can talk to one of our expert therapists today, and we'll get in touch with you. Last thing that I wanted to talk about was, if you don't like cooking and you don't like cleaning, we are doing a Refer a Friend giveaway right now. That is all about a personalized experience for you. So if you don't want to cook and you don't want to clean, and you want to help people feel better without pain, then what you can do is refer a friend to us. If they come in, then your name gets put into a drawing, so you get a personalized chef experience where he will come to your house and do all the cooking, all the cleaning, and you get a wonderful meal. So if you're interested in that, give us a call, and let's get you guys feeling better, huh? We'll see you next time. Bye.